Okay, so today we're just going to play around with OnShape and make a smiley face just for fun. Okay, so anyway, let's start out. Sketch on here, make a circle, and put it up here. Alright, there's our head. Don't forget, we got to give it thickness. Always got to say extrude, and we're not going to have it be 1 inch, we'd say 0.5. So, okay, we've got our disc. That's our smiley face. Okay, let's give it eyes. Sketch on our disc, and let's make one of the eyes elliptical. Right click. I click again, and then I click again. The second click is telling it how up and down. Make it pretty close to the. Make it sort of narrow. All right, and let's give that a little bit of depth, and we'll have it stick out. I don't think we want it to stick out 1 inch, but let's try 0.5. Enter, and let's make another eye on the other side. It's a center point circle. We're not going for pure beauty here. Let's make that 0.25. And we've got 2 eyes. Alright, maybe the one is kind of winking or something. Just for fun, the one thing, I don't know how to do it on ellipses, but let's make a fillet of the circle. If I click on fillet, and then I say, it's asking me what entity to fillet, I think I can click on this and look at what it looks like now. It kind of like made it like R2D2. Let's change the radius to 0.1, and it makes it a little more like that. Yeah, alright, anyway, good. Okay, let's try sketching on the face, and let's make a nose, and we'll just make a nose like that. And let's give that some depth. I don't think we want a 1 inch nose. That'd be really big. 0.5. And let's just look at how that looks. Okay. Instead of fillet, giving it a fillet, let's do the chamfer. And it's asking what entities to chamfer. Let's see if I chamfer that line right there. We could chamfer the front, chamfer the line. Let's try the front first. Okay, that's interesting. All right. Let's get rid of that. What if we just chamfered this line? And we'll just do the one side. If I can do, let's see if it'll let us do this bottom line too. Yeah, what about the top? Why not? Okay. There's our nose. And let's give it a mouth. Sketch on here. I'm going to use the spline tool. Pick this one. And no particular reason. I'm not very artistic. And there's our mouth. And let's extrude. And this time let's remove it. 0.5. Let's see what that looks like. Went all the way through. That's fine. Yeah, fine. So you can play around with more of that and then just making a funny smiley face. But I thought that that would be fun for you to make some kind of shape and use the tools at the same time.